Miles aspirants, T Miles Pedagogue is back with the new video. Today we will discuss about some linking words which are used to connect two or more lines. Let us start with some contrast linking words. The contrast linking words are however, but, yet, whereas, while, on the one hand, and on the other hand. Contrast linking words are generally used in the contrary essay. For example, if you have to discuss both the views in an essay, or the essay is regarding the advantages and disadvantages of certain trend. Let's start with these contrast words one by one. While. The word while is generally used when you are provided with two opinions. In an essay, then you can start with the word while. For example, while some people believe that online classes are beneficial for the students, I believe that the physical classes are more favorable for the students. Similarly, the word however is used to start an essay instead of while. Generally, the word while and however are used in the starting of a sentence, then followed by the opposite opinion. The other contrast words are yet or but. Yet and but are used in the middle of the sentences. For example, some people believe that online classes are advantageous to the students, but in my opinion, the physical classrooms are more beneficial for the students. The most prominently used contrast linking words are on the one hand and on the other hand. On the one hand and on the other hand are generally used when you are supposed to discuss both the views. Then, after the introduction in the first body paragraph, you can start it with the word on the one hand, and in the second body paragraph, you can start with on the other hand. For example, the essay is about the advantages and disadvantages of using mobile phones. Then, after the introduction, you can start first body paragraph like, on the one hand, the mobile phones have made our life much easier. Then, in the second body paragraph, you can start like, on the other hand, the usage of mobile phones has led to health hazards. The thing which is to be taken care over here is that the on the one hand and on the other hand are used in contrary essays. Many students have sent us the essays in which they have used these words for the discussion essays, like for problem solving essays. Thank you. I hope that you have understood. Please like and share our Facebook page, IELTS Pedagogue.